2023, and we're going to make the template for this wall and then put this wall in. It'll be a solid piece of 3/4 inch marine plywood. That's what we're gonna do first, is make this, and then we'll go up and we'll cut it after we make our template. And we may, if we have a second piece, we may also put the second piece coming in here, which I think is about 7 feet. So it'd be 3 4-foot piece and a 3-foot piece to get that wall started. That is the completed template. We're letting the final couple of joints that we glued dry, and then we will take it out and cut out a piece of plywood. Later. Got the wall installed down there and painted. Jeannie may slap a second coat of paint on that. That's about it, I guess. Stormy. Gonna go get some food. June 10th, 2023. We're getting ready to install the solar panels. This one had lost its negative terminal, so I'm putting it on. And it's just cutting the wire, stripping the wire, putting the little crimp on, and then inserting that into the holder. And then this is the waterproofing piece, and then that slides on and just tightens down on it. Strain relief so it doesn't get pulled off. We're going to take this up in just a moment, and we're going to do this. And then I think after these are in, we're doing some reorganization and cleaning and stuff like that the rest of the day, right?
Yep.
Shouldn't be any wiring up there. These should just be drop in place and plug in and screw down. Later.